Hey everybody! So I'm back today to do a little bit of a layout share to finish off our Vintage Vibes Kit 2 before we dive into Kit 3. I do have an unboxing for Kit 3 and it is live and available, so I will leave the link to all of the products in kit number 3, and you can also see there's a playlist and an unboxing and all that stuff. But this is kit number 2. So I have my first layout. I used some white cardstock for this one and did my splatters, which, by the way, I know at least one person commented about the aqua pigment in Gilded being discontinued because they're reformulating it and repackaging it. It is back in the shop with the new formula and the new packaging, and I will relink it up in the description box in case you wanted to grab some, because it is something that I use all the time on my projects. So this is our first layout that we did. We did a little we played with the 3 main colors in our kit, some gold splatters, the beautiful butterflies, and I did some pen work. This is the second layout I did with kit number 2. I die cut my letters, created a mixed media background, and yeah, really love this layout. I love this pad. I think this turned out really, really good. Layout number 3 and 4 are companion layouts. So we really delved into all that gorgeous pattern paper, lots of layers, a nice block of journaling. And then this is the second page of that coordinating layout. So I used the little extras from my stash, pulled those die cuts in, used a lot of the rub-ons, created some fun clusters, and then side by side, these layouts look really, really nice together. Layout number 4, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is layout number 5. Layout number 5 utilizes all the bits and pieces of the scraps. So for example, when I created this mixed media background, I had this piece left over, and when I did this background, I had this piece left over. So I went ahead and utilized all those little scraps to create my background, big cluster, some journaling. I still have to do that, and yeah, I made this one really sparkly. And then this one is the last layout, which the process video for this is a members only video. I really leaned in and used up the rest of the butterfly stickers on this layout. I added some of this gorgeous fiber from Color Rush Studio from my stash that I am currently obsessed with. Used up some more of those stitching rub-ons, and I love I used up the rest of these clear stickers, and I love how I used them as trails for the butterflies. I think they turned out really, really sweet. So those are my 6 layouts that I created using my kit. And then I took what was left over and I made a couple of cards that I will share with you. So again, these just used up the scraps, the pieces of the different pattern papers. I flipped some of the pattern paper, like the other side of this pattern paper is the one you can see on a lot of the layouts. You tried to use up some of the thickers, get those all used up, some of the larger die cuts, and I was able to get 4 A2 cards. So 6 layouts, 4 A2 cards from that kit. So what do I have left over? I still have a lot of die cuts, but I put a lot of die cuts in this kit. So I am just going to go ahead and set them. I have, you know, like little cups and bowls that hang around my scrapbook room that hold extra embellishments, and I dip into them now and then for projects. So I'm just going to pop those into there. The leftover scraps of paper, probably I'm just going to toss them. And then the letters will end up with the rest of my kind of letter stash. I probably could get maybe a card or two, possibly a memory planner. But for the most part, these are quite done. I only have a couple of these stitching rub-ons left. And I did just, if you watched my unboxing video that came out, well, this is going to go up Monday, so Tuesday. So this is, or Monday, so this would have been, the unboxing video will probably come up on Sunday. That shows I purchased another package of these because I do really love them. For the Maggie Holmes stickers, I kept those in my stash and I will use them. I will continually use them till they are gone. And then we have these, which I don't know what I'm going to do. I have a couple E's. You can kind of see I kind of started to maybe put a couple words together. I'm going to put these with the die cuts and just kind of let them hang around and simmer on my desk as I create during the month, well, the rest of February and into March. And after a while, we'll see if I can use up some more of them. But I will say we did use quite a bit, so that made me happy. And so that's it. That's what little bit I have left of my Vintage Vibes 2 kit. And I am ready to tuck into kit number 3 and start creating projects with that. All right, everyone. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.